I don't call myself a runner. I have never ran a marathon. I am just an average girl who tries to stay active. I discovered I'm not motivated by minutes or miles. My mind does not work that way. I am motivated by my experience and my feelings. When I saw this park, I thought, I want to run in it. It was as natural as that. No pep talk, no reminder. It was pure desire. Nature caught my eye, and I decided to take myself and my senses for a ride. When you run in nature, you are accompanied by living and breathing organisms, living things that you can touch, smell, taste, hear, and see. Don't ignore it. Take it all in. I think as we get older, we become more cautious. We tend to take the safer route, and we raise our fear as a result. I strive to preserve my inner child by challenging myself. I gain confidence as I increase my skills. When my run is coming to an end, I feel unstoppable, grateful, and at peace. Keep the experience powerful and celebrate your win. My mind and body will crave this experience, and I will find myself doing it over and over and over again.